Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just colored my hair last night using a recommendation on this brand, and it is called Better Natured, and this is in the shade 1B, and I've seen it on Amazon. I've seen it like when I would look for hair color and stuff. I would see it floating around, and when I got the recommendation, she sent me to the link for it, and they have through Instagram. So that's where I ordered it from. And I actually just noticed that this says Zotis Professional, which makes the brand age beautiful from Sally's. And I absolutely love that brand. Like absolutely, that's my one of my top favorite hair colors from Sally's. And it's so beautiful. So anyways, this hair color comes in a whole kit. So if you're familiar with the Madison Reed hair color, it's kind of like that. And this is pretty pricey. It's $25 a kit. And you cannot just buy hair color and developer. So you get the whole kit. And they give you an envelope like this, and it comes with a whole bunch of stuff. So you get your cream barrier, which I did use, and I felt like it did not really do anything. My scalp was still really stained after putting this on. Like even my ears were stained. Like I put it pretty close to my hairline, and it really didn't protect it whatsoever. Then it comes with a hair color remover, and that really did not do anything to take the hair color off. It comes with shampoo and conditioner, which I didn't use because I really love my own. These gloves, which are amazing. These are like professional gloves that you would get at Sally's. So these are good. And then an instruction guide and all that stuff. And it tells you like all the steps. It also comes in with packets of developer and your hair color as well. I will show you a picture of like everything that comes in the box, and it comes with bottles, but I do not use the actual bottles. I use a bowl and brush because that's the easiest way that I feel like I can apply it without making a tremendous mess. And it also came with like a thing of stickers, and my daughter stole those immediately, so I can't show you what the stickers look like, but they were pretty cool. They had like little flowers like that kind of look like the packaging and whatnot, which is cool. So anyways, this color is supposed to be 90% naturally derived and 10% purely science. So this does contain PPD, and it itched so freaking bad. I could not wait to wash it out of my hair. Now, if I were to compare this Zotis Professional color to the Age Beautiful, that one is so gentle. It doesn't irritate my scalp whatsoever. And this, after seeing just now that this is from the same company and how horribly bad this itched, I'm kind of disappointed. Like, I actually didn't even realize that it was from the same company until just now. And the only way you could get this hair color is from Better Natured on Instagram or through Amazon. You can't get this at Sally's or anything. So yeah, I don't quite understand, but it says it's supposed to be 100% gray coverage, and we'll see. But yes, this itched so bad. I could not wait to wash it off my head. It was terrible. It does stain your skin and your sink pretty bad. I did do a face mask after I washed my hair while I was waiting for it to process, and it did get a good chunk of the hair color off my skin, but it is stained pretty bad. Like my ears were stained pretty bad, my neck, and I put the barrier on, and it just to like show you guys that I actually used their products that came with it, because usually I don't, because it usually gets stuck in my hair and I can't get it to wash out. But this smelled like just conditioner. So it had a really nice smell. It smelled really well. You don't really need any ventilation whatsoever. Now, is it worth $25? No. Okay, if I would have known that this itched as bad as it did, I probably would not, well, I will not ever use it again. But it's not worth the money. It's not worth $50 to sit there and have your scalp so irritated for 30 minutes. Actually longer, because of the time that it took to apply, and then you're applying it and it's irritating while you're still coloring your hair, and then to sit for an extra 30 minutes for it to irritate you even longer. To me, that's not worth it. Now, let's see about the color. In the light, I could see blue. It is very sunny right now, and I will see if I could get any of the blue to show up, but I could see it at my vanity. It looks dark. I haven't really gotten a chance to see what it looks like in daytime, because I did do it at night. But my hair feels amazing. After I washed it and dried it, it felt so soft and buttery smooth. Like, it was just, whew, it felt so good. So there's that. But I don't like sitting with my hair being super itchy and irritated. Okay, so I will play around with the lighting. Well, the natural lighting. But this is what it looks like. It's a really pretty blue. On their website, it does show like a very intense blue black, and I don't know if they were promoting that you need to have pre-lightened hair or not, but to achieve that color, let's see if I could get it to show up. Well, this is what it looks like in direct sunlight. I can't get a really good angle without like the sun like blinding you and me, but I could definitely see some of the blue. I will look and play around with the lighting in my kitchen, because it gets really good natural lighting in there and in my living room. So I'd love to see what it looks like in like actually outside, but it looks really dark and I do see blue. It's not super intense as I can tell, but I can see the blue, and it just kind of looks like a navy blue when I see hints of it. But I do see it. I hope the camera's picking it up, because like I could see like this piece that's like really intense blue. But overall, in my personal opinion, if you don't have sensitivity to hair color, it's worth giving it a shot. But in my personal opinion, because it's the same brand as Age Beautiful, go with Age Beautiful, because it's so gentle. And I feel like their blue black pops more than this one. And you honestly could get the Age Beautiful, get 2 bottles, get developer and gloves for half the price of 1 kit. So if you kind of weigh your options, you could go to Sally's. And if you even want to get super fancy and you want a brush and a bowl, you might be paying $25 for all of that. And you could get like a whole box of gloves. You could get, or like a 4-pack. Yeah, you could just honestly, that's my personal opinion, because it's the same brand, that I feel like it's better for your hair. It's more gentle. It does have 100% gray coverage. And I don't think their hair color has PPD in it. I think it's more of the toluene, and it's super gentle. It's kind of upsetting that you spent like $25 on a whole kit, and you could go to Sally's and buy everything individually. And even, okay, so if you wanted to spend $50, you probably could buy like a full thing of shampoo and conditioner as well, and call it a day. You could probably get the whole kit and caboodle, like a hair mask, like a leave-in conditioner, shampoo, conditioner, sorry, 2 bottles of hair color, a brush, a bowl, some gloves, and the developer. And you could spend roughly $50 and get all of that with $50 at Sally's, and you're paying $25 for this kit, and it irritates you, and it's from the same company that's at Sally's. So, and I didn't even know that. And when I actually saw that, I was just like kind of bummed seeing that they had their name on it. So I'm kind of disappointed, because I really, really like Age Beautiful. And when I saw that, I was like, wow. So anyways, I'm done complaining, but my hair feels amazing. That's a plus. The blue seems to pop a little bit more. It does look really dark. Yeah, it still blows my mind that I just found out just now that it's from Zotis Professional, and I'm not happy with it. We'll see how well it wears, and I will definitely update you guys on my Instagram page. And if you're new to my channel and new to that, I will post like how the gray coverage is. And I do like a couple washes. I might do one that's like the first wash. If it's terrible, I will post about it right away and let you know, like, oh, all my whites are back. It washed completely out. If not, then if it's good, then I'll do a couple washes and see how well it wears. And then like show you guys a picture of what it is. And that's Nina_Gilhousen. And that's where you can find me on Instagram. And it's not really like a wow Instagram page. It's just more of like my hair and what it looks like, and I'll explain all that stuff in the description and stuff like that. So yeah. I was gonna say something else, but I completely lost it. But anyways, if there's any other recommendations that you want me to do, or ones that I haven't done before that are in blue black, let me know. I'm almost done with blue blacks, and we'll be moving on to violet blacks. And I already started purchasing some of them. And yeah, I think I have 2 or 3 more blue blacks to go, and I'm done with blue black, and I'm moving on to the purple black. Yeah, so let me know in the comments below, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.